Hello there, and welcome to another Human DIY. I'm Chris, and this is a channel where we talk about DIY stuff. Now, we had a bug problem. What are you doing?
We had a few friends come to visit. So we had a bit of an ant issue. Most of them are dead, but I'm killing the ones that are still living. We normally don't keep very harsh chemicals in the house, but under extreme circumstances, like ants trying to find our Cheez-Its in our cabinet, it's very handy to have the really toxic stuff. It's been 30 minutes. Call us at 1-800-ANT-EXTERMINATION. We'll come with our paper towel and our bleach.
We had a bug problem, and we had ants, we have roaches, that's kind of it. But I wanted to spray, Kristen wanted me to spray, and I have previously used one company only, because we've only owned one other house, that come out and spray, and it's fine. But I found this other company called Pestie, and I'm gonna try to use them. So this looks pretty simple. They just send you a package. This is not sponsored, by the way. I have no idea if it's good. I'm sure it is. They give you legit insecticide. It's supposed to be more environmentally friendly, something like that. I don't know. It looks pretty much like it could kill some stuff. Shake well before using. Anyways, so we're gonna try that out. And this thing's really easy. Comes with safety precautions, wear your gloves, how to get started, how to apply, and that's about it. They do suggest waiting or making sure that it's not gonna rain for 48 hours, so we're gonna try to get that done now because the forecast says it's not supposed to rain. So put on our gloves, just nice little doctor gloves. Fill this bag with water. It says fill here, right there. So I'm gonna do that. This says to shake well before using. And then carefully open and pour the pesticide into the water-filled bag. Make sure not to spill any outside of the bag. Insert the tube and the sprayer assembly into the bag. This. And then you just twist it. And the mosquitoes are getting me. And then shake the bag well. Get it? Bagwell. Jeff Bagwell. It looks pretty even in there. Looks kind of brown. Like a little poop water. That looks cool. And then to apply it, hold the sprayer about 2 feet away. Lightly spray the foundation of your home in a 4-foot band. 2 feet up the side of the home and 2 feet away from the home on the ground. So 2 feet up, 2 feet out. Try to pace yourself that you spray a consistent amount around the foundation of your home. Spray around windows, avoiding the glass, door frames, window wells, and garage door openings. Optionally, spray front porch railings, under backyard decks, inside your garage, and anywhere else you've seen bugs, and that's it. The pesticide needs to fully dry before allowing people or animals to come in contact with treated areas. If you have leftover mixture, spray around your home again until the bag is empty. Make sure to apply all the mixed pesticide once mixed with water. It cannot be stored overnight. Dispose of everything, and that's it. So this seems pretty straightforward. Let's try it out. Hey. Alrighty, I just finished up and it was pretty good. I actually went around the whole house 3 different times. Our house is pretty small. It's like 1,300 square feet. But I went around 3 times and still had some left over. Just a little bit left that I poured out in the back by some fence. So yeah, there's a lot of stuff in there, a lot of water, a lot of insecticide. So I think it worked pretty good. I was getting eaten alive by mosquitoes, like literally. It was terrible. Our yard doesn't have good drainage, And so that'll be a future project that I need to do to drain our yard, so it's just not breeding grounds for mosquitoes to eat us and destroy us. But now the next thing to do is to, it said just to keep this in the box. Put this away if you order more, so that you can use it. This is supposed to be like a subscription service. I didn't subscribe, but we might need to do it again. And they usually spray every 3 months, 6 months, something like that. So we'll see if we need to. But I will jump back on here in like a week and see and let y'all know how the bugs are, if the ants are still in our house, if cockroaches, and we'll go from there. So yeah, before we get to that, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like the video. I appreciate y'all being here and watching. Alrighty. Hello friends, it has been a few days now, and so I'm going to give you a little review on the bug stuff. First off, let's hear from our main critic, Miss Christy. Hello there.
Hello.
How's the bug stuff?
The bugs are gone.
Tell us from then to now, are you pleased with the product? Give us like
Oh
your
my
review.
gosh. Before the product, there was one night I went into the kitchen and turned the lights on, and I think there was like 5 or 6 roaches.
There
And
were
it was
roaches.
common. You turn the lights off and they would come out and they would try and get the crumbs off the counter. But now,
Like every night.
every night. But now there's like no roaches. So I give this 10 out of 10. I can sleep in peace.
Well, you heard it here, folks. She gives it a 10 out of 10, and I give it probably a 10 out of 10 too, honestly. We've seen dead cockroaches and other things out here around the perimeter of the house where we sprayed, and then also inside there's been some dead cockroaches just laying on the floor, and we woke up in the morning. And then there's no more ant problem, which is great. So that's a huge plus. And so yeah, the product, easy to put on, easy to do, and the results have been great. Like Kristen said, we've seen like 1, maybe 2 cockroaches in a week, when usually it was like we saw 3 or 4 every night coming out and killing them, and then more coming back. So I haven't seen a cockroach in, I don't know when the last time it was, maybe a day or 2 after we sprayed. But besides that, it's been really good, and it seems like it's holding up. So we'll see how long this lasts until they start swarming us again. But thank you for watching. This is not a sponsored video, of course, but if they want to sponsor me, hit me up. But thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button, and let me know in the comments what bug spray you use and how you take care of your house with the bugs. Alrighty, see you next time. Bye.